Welcome back to LAKIOO Start Guide series. So far, you've learned how the LAKIOO ecosystem works, and now we'll take the next step and connect both LAKIOO Creator and LAKIOO Player to the LAKIOO Cloud. This will allow you to remotely manage players, publish content, and monitor devices from anywhere with internet access. Open LAKIOO Creator and click LAKIOO Cloud icon. If you don't have a cloud account yet, click Register here. Enter your email address, create password, and repeat the password to confirm it. Click Sign up to create your account. Once your account is created, return to login screen in LAKIOO Creator app. Enter your username, it's your email, and enter your password. Click Login. Now, let's connect your LAKIOO Player to the cloud account. On the player, open Settings by pressing Alt+S. Navigate to Content section and enter your cloud account. Enter your cloud account password and click Login. Play project, and the player will now connect to your LAKIOO Cloud account, so we can return to LAKIOO Creator. Open list of players, and your connected player will now appear in the player list at LAKIOO Creator and is ready for remote content management through the LAKIOO Cloud. Your LAKIOO Cloud account is now ready and your player has been successfully connected to the cloud. From LAKIOO Creator, you can now see and manage your player remotely, publish updates, and control content without needing physical access to this device. This completes the basic setup of LAKIOO ecosystem. Thank you for choosing LAKIOO, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.